Hey everyone, so this is part 2 of the portable toolbox tour. I recently went to Home Depot and I picked up some few tools for this toolbox. Now, I'm a guy that likes things in kits because it makes it so much easier. This was I think 29 or 28.99 and it was on for $9.99. And I thought, wow, what a great deal. So it comes in a kit, open it up. You got your drill bits, spade bits, you know. What a great kit. And then if you need anything, it's right in there. So, and it locks. I love it. It's got a little handle. So that's going to go in one of the drawers. Another thing I've bought before is I have another one of these. And it had a handle on it, which this one doesn't, unfortunately. But I love these kits because I can pretty much fix whatever I need to fix with this kit when it comes to, wrenches. It's got pretty much everything except for maybe an extension, a couple of extensions which I can throw in there. But I like because they have a kit, they hold up well. This one's a little tight on the locking, but this was like 25 bucks, worth it. And you can take the case with you. You don't have stuff all over the place. Just love it. And it's a small kit. Adjustable wrench. All your sockets, they fit in nice and well. Oh, these actually they've been updated so they don't slop around. They actually have a little keeper in there. See the little keeper? So when you put that in there, it actually locks in. Get it right. Oh yeah, you gotta have it in the right area, which is kind of cool, so then they don't fall all over the place. So I really like this kit, and closes, snap shut, locks. I mean, that's great. So I can the only thing is it doesn't have a handle, which would be nice, but for a back of a truck, I mean, how many times are you going to use it really? So works out well. I might cut that tab off there just so it can fit, but both of these fit in the toolbox right like that, so that's perfect. That one fits in there, that one fits in there. So then the other ones that I've gotten, I love these Husky. I've got about 3 of these guys and I love them. Instead of having a whole bunch of screwdrivers kicking around, you get yourself one of these, and I think this has been upgraded, it's a ratcheting one. You get yourself one of these, it comes with all the bits that you need, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 10 because the top ones are different, bottom ones are different. They all fit into these little grooves right here, and whatever you need, it's right there. I've never had to have another screwdriver really. I mean, they always work, unless you need a really big screwdriver for something, like a flathead. This gets you by. It works awesome. So, I have one for my truck, one for my garage, one for the house. They work awesome. I just love them. And they're about, I think I paid $14 for this Canadian, but definitely worth it. There's other ones that they sell at the store, but I like this one with all they fit in there nice, they're secure, and just an overall great screwdriver, multi-bit screwdriver. So I'll take that out of the case, but that'll go in here as well. And then I just got some regular electrical tape. That's going to go in the top. And what else do I got? I've got some nut drivers. I use these a lot with RVs and that when I'm working on RVs. And this is I picked these up at KMS Tools in BC, Canada here. So they got metric. Metric is up at the top. A standard is at the bottom, and these ones, I don't like these ones as much because they can slip out of the drill, but they're cheap, they're good. This is what I'm going to throw in my toolbox. you know, you got 5 through 12 and 3/16 to 7/16 all the way up. Great little kit. And the nice thing is it comes, when you take this out of the package, which, here, I should probably take it out of the package. Yeah, so that's what it looks like out of the case. You can just pull them out, and then they go into your drill. Yeah, like I said, this is the cheaper set, but they work good. They're, you know, quick. You don't need, you just put it in your drill, and away you go. You can pick whichever one you want, and then just put it back in there. So I'm going to put that in my toolbox for sure. I did buy another set too, just to have in my garage. But these are the ones that I really like. These. I got these at KMS Tools as well. But these are the ones that fit into your drill, or into an impact, or, you know, they got the quick connect on them. I like these ones the best. They're a little more expensive. I think these ones, well, actually I think these ones on sale were $12.99, $13.99. So this is metric 6 through 12. Comes with a little kit. Again, I like the kits because everything fits in perfectly. Yeah, look at that, snaps right in. Out, snaps in, perfect. And you got a little carabiner here. So I love those. That's the metric. And then I've got the standard here, 1/4 through half. Usually when I'm using these guys, I'm using the 1/4, and I'm using 1/2 inch most often for RV awnings and things like that. But hey, it just snaps in. Like, look how awesome those are. Snaps right in. So this is by Mega Force Impact, 4 impact, and Mega Pro. Yeah. So KMS Tools Canada. You can probably find them somewhere else. But you could also look up the name Mega Force Impact by Mega Pro. But cool little set. So I'm going to throw these guys in there as well. So there you go. Actually, I may not keep these in here. Yeah, I'm probably not going to keep these in here. I'm just going to keep this guy in here because I don't use those much. These are gonna stay in my garage. So just a set of those because it's got the metric and standard screwdriver in there. And then yeah, that's about it for now, guys. Got a channel locks. I may throw another set of those guys in there. So I got my pliers here, adjustable pliers, screwdriver, our multi-bit screwdriver, and then these guys, nut drivers, kit full of drill bits, spade bits, wrenches, and then I got my big guy up here, crescent wrench. Oh, and a tape measure, just a little guy, just a little tape measure. This actually fits on the side here really well. Fits on the side, and I can close the door. See, so it works out well. And tape in there. So I'm going to be adding more to this, guys. So stay tuned. I'll put a link below to the next video. And if you haven't checked out the previous video to this, where I got the toolbox, how much I paid, check it out in the link as well. Anyway, guys, stay tuned to the next one. Ciao for now.